Does the iPhone 16e have a cinematic mode? Well, let me explain that. And if you are new here, most definitely subscribe for more explanations and guides like this one, because I bought the iPhone 16e just when it came out, and I was just eager to see what the device is like. It's like the budget iPhone, and it features like a nice large camera lens on the back, but the features are definitely limited. And the short answer is that it does not have the cinematic mode. For some reason, it doesn't support it. The question is exactly why, because I believe that it would theoretically be possible, because for example, even devices like the iPhone 15 regular model supports the cinematic mode, and it's not like it uses the camera or both camera lenses, because on the iPhone 15, even if I just cover the other lens, then the cinematic mode is still working. So it apparently only needs one lens to make it functional. So I think it could technically be possible that it would work on the 16e, but it is supposed to be a budget iPhone at the end, and I guess it's not supposed to feature all of the great things which you have on like the later models. For example, even the latest iPhone Air, which is of the part of the 17 lineup, simply doesn't feature the cinematic mode as well, for whatever reason. Again, I don't know why. I think as well it could support it, but they probably have to differentiate the iPhone Air or 16e, which are like the lower end models, from the higher end devices. But that is just my opinion. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in future videos as well.